Welcome to Mimic channel again. Today I am going to explain you about some critical alarms. Those are weatherproof alarms. These alarms are generally being used for very critical applications, outdoor duty. Like some accidents happen, gas leakages happen, or some emergency operations, problems are being erupted, these alarms are being used. So the manufacturing of these alarms is also very critical. For that, Mimic is having three models. These are the three models. One is tower lamp type, second one is with the plastic body, and third one is with the metallic body. There are different applications for different uses. First one, this one is tower lamp type weatherproof alarm. It is having indications, multiple indications possible, 3-tire indications, 2-tire indications, and alarm. In this, the red is the flashing and alarm comes along with the flashing. So this is the critical fault. This red flashes and gives the alarm. This is the mid type of a problematic zone. And also there are some green tower lamps also where the all is okay is being given. In this type are base mounting type, having a weatherproof junction box at the bottom where the cable can be entered over here and cabling can be done, and particularly this application we supply to our navies. On navies, their frigates, it is been fitted on the decks on each corners. So whenever the problem erupts, these flashes gives alarms and everybody knows there is an emergency and corresponding actions are being taken. This is the first type. Second type is universal type. It is generally being used for all applications, outdoor applications. It is fitted outside the factories, outside the defense institutions, corporate offices, but outdoor. And same application, it gives sound, it flashes, and incoming again with the cable entry is there, which is again a weatherproof cable entry. And this third one is with a metallic body, casting body. This is the aluminum casting, and aluminum casting. So whenever there is an application where only the alarm is not needed, but the physical interference or physical problems or physical physical damage is possible, then this plastic body will not be suitable. For this metallic bodies, very heavy duty, are being used. Basic function is same for all. It gives a flashing, it gives a flashing light, it gives a sound, wobbling tone. It's an emergency tone. Now, in weatherproof, exactly what happens in weatherproof? Weatherproof, there are some certifications. Certification means whether it is weatherproof or not. Suppose the rain or water goes inside, it will not sound. So there are some certification bodies, certification labs which certifies the particular weatherproofness of that unit. And for that there are some codes like IP codes that is being called. When it is weatherproof, it is called as IP 65, 66, 68 or 69. Now these codes are for dust and for water. The first number of this IP, that is 65, suppose the 6 is the highest code for the dust. That means above that there is no code. So first is the 6. 6 number defines that there will not be any dust inside at any account. Second code is for water. When it is the 565, that means the 65, a light rain is possible and the water should not go inside. So generally outdoor applications where some shades are there, this 65 code is being used, IP65. But it is open to all. There is no cover on the top of this unit. It is called as IP66. 66 is the higher grade. That means very heavy rain. It will withstand. It has been tested. And IP68, 67 or 68 are when the product is immersed inside the water, it will not have any effect. And immersed below the water level, below the ground level, 1 meter. And 69 is the customer specification that is generally being used for submarines. So the meter is being specified by the customers. So these are the weatherproof IPs ratings of different units. In our case, these all three units are IP66. That means suitable for all weather conditions, heavy rain conditions. It can be used. Thank you.